Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to create a folder in Google Drive using your phone. Creating folders helps us organize files, portals, and documents, making everything easier to find. We will walk you through it step by step. On your Google Drive mobile dashboard, tap the plus sign. A menu will appear with options like Google Slides, Google Sheets, Docs, Upload, or Create a folder. Since we want to create a folder, tap Folder. Once you tap Folder, you will be asked to enter a name. Just type the name you want. In this example, we will type Sample. When you are done, tap Create. After tapping Create, you will see the sample folder appear in your Google Drive. As you can see, the folder is now showing up on your mobile. That's it. We have successfully created a folder in Google Drive using a phone. Now you can keep your files organized and access them anytime.